welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, so my name is Oluwakemi, and I want to quickly share this simple hack. Yes, we talk about personal branding here. So, and we are in the year 2026. This is 2026, and I want to quickly do a few bit of things. Yes, do this quickly. Number one thing, kindly go check your profile. Yes, so go into other feeds, like all other content creators that you've been seeing. You've seen the way they created their videos, you've seen the way they did their profile. Same also goes for other media, maybe let's say IG, let's say YouTube, let's say Twitter, let's say LinkedIn. And you could see the way they actually amplify their image, amplify the profile, amplify their bow. Yeah, so you want to do that bit this year before we even get started. Yes, because we have so many things. Yes, we're coming with so many lovely content on this platform, but I need you to quickly do some little tweak to your personal branding. Yes, please change your pictures. That old picture, remove it, change your picture. Please go do that right away. Change your pictures, change your poster. Yes, that poster that talks about your brand. Yes, rebrand. Yes, rebrand your picture. Go to your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube. Change the picture. Yes, AI is here to help you amplify. Just put the picture there and tell AI, I want you to clean this image up for me, to just take a very beautiful picture, dress corporately, and then tell AI to clean up the image with high resolution for you and put it on your profile, because that's where we are starting. We're starting by rebranding. Yes, we are starting by rebranding. So we want to rebrand everything. Everything must speak about you, your authenticity. So we are starting from your personal brand list. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like, because I'm coming, yes, with so much treats and trick for 2026. Yes, thank you. If there's anything you'd like me to talk about in my next video, please leave it in the comment section. But let me know how your profile look after you've done that. Yes, thank you. Bye.